In today's fast paced world, finding time to market can be very challenging, especially as a digital publisher and maybe even as a solopreneur. But we can't neglect our marketing when it comes to our digital publishing businesses because that can hinder your growth and your visibility. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you these quick tricks or quick marketing tips that you should try when it comes to your digital publishing business. Hey guys, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, your digital publishing bestie, where I'm sharing all the tips and strategies to help you to move the needle in your digital publishing business without using social media. The first thing we're going to talk about is content marketing made easy. This is where number one, you want to repurpose content. So turn your blog posts into YouTube videos or turn those YouTube videos into blog posts. You can definitely repurpose content that you already have to make this super easy. Also, you want to encourage your customers to share their experiences with your products and services. So, reposting what your customers are saying that you're doing a great job at, whether it's your YouTube video, whether it's your blogs, post those things. I know on Medium, I'm on Medium and I write articles. And from time to time, I will post the different comments that people leave on my Medium articles because that is content within itself. And it lets people know that people enjoy my content. Or if you have customers, you want to have customer reviews, that is a way for you to market what you have. It's a different way of marketing. Also, curate content. So this looks like sharing relevant articles or news or tips from other people. That is content marketing as well, and another way for you to market your publishing business. So you can share some Medium articles that will be great that your audience can use. It might not necessarily be from you, but you can repurpose other people's content as well. Now, let's get into email marketing. Okay, you need to have an email list. And the first tip I'm going to give you is to make sure that you're segmenting your list. So, not everybody on my email list gets all of my different emails. As you know, um, I have a newsletter that I send out Monday through Friday, and that's for I have a list just for my newsletter people. Okay. So everybody that joins my workshops does not get emails about my newsletter because they didn't sign up for that. So a great way for you to make sure that you are putting out marketing content is to make sure you segment your list. Also, here's something that I did yesterday in my own digital publishing business is making sure that I went through my list to make sure that I had some automated emails go out. So I have made sure that each of my segmented lists had at least 5 to 6 emails that are automated without me going to my computer to automate. So having a automated sequence will be amazing. And some other ideas that you can think about is having a welcome email list, maybe a birthday discount code. My birthday is this month, so I'm going to set up an email for my entire list for my birthday. So, or also an abandoned cart. So if you have a tool like Shopify, I was shopping on somebody's website the day before, and I put something in the cart that I meant to get and I didn't get it right away. They had an abandoned cart email to come to me. That way it made me remember, hey, I forgot to get that. That's another way for you to make money in your business. And that way you're automating it and you don't have to actually do this. You can be cooking dinner and these emails go out, or you can be recording a YouTube video and these emails are going out. You want to have those sequences and those automatic campaigns going out. Okay. And the last tip I want to leave with you is don't be afraid of paid advertisement. One of the ways that I am advertising my business using money, and it's not a whole lot of money, is Pinterest ads. So I want you to think about ways that you can have targeted ads. If you're on social media, I'm not currently on social media, is why I use Pinterest ads. Even YouTube has a way for you to put some money out there for your videos to be shown to more people. So I'm not telling you to put money everywhere in every advertisement, but find a way where you can put a little bit of money so it can help you to get out there a little bit more. Okay. Now, there are a lot of people that put a whole lot of money into advertisement, but you don't need a whole lot of money money. You can use platforms such as YouTube. You can use Pinterest, has their own ads as well. Amazon KDP has their own ads. So if you want to sell more books, you want to put more money towards it. So I am definitely a component of making sure that you have organic, but I am definitely not opposed to having that pay advertisement going out as well. I think you should have both. I think you should have a little bit of advertisement going out as well as your organic so that you're showing up for different people. Okay. So I hope that this video helped you to get you going with your marketing to let you know that you don't always have to be on. Like you don't always have to show up every single way or every single platform to make a difference, to make money, and to make an impact. Okay. So thank you for tuning into today's video. And on this channel, I talk a lot about creating multiple streams of income in digital publishing. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, if you are in the position you want to learn how to create your own digital publishing online business, I have a blueprint that's going to show you that in my free workshop, how to build a profitable digital publishing business in 90 days without the social media overwhelm. Okay, this is a free workshop. It is a live workshop, so you're actually going to see me. You can come and ask your questions, and this is a great way for us to converse. And I love to do workshops to meet people that are learning from me. So go on over to sharlritadeloatch.com/blueprint so that you can get your seat into this workshop, and I look forward to seeing you there. Now, if you're really the person that wants to jumpstart your digital publishing business, I have a success toolkit for only $27. You're going to get access to resources that's going to help you to build your digital publishing business with ease. I have tools, templates, I have guides, I have video trainings in there to help you to get started. Okay, so if you're like, you know what, I'm ready to go, I really wanted to dive into digital publishing, this toolkit is for you. Okay, so guys, I see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll talk soon.